Okay. When we received this reel, the handle and shaft was really sloppy. The reel itself was excellent, but the handle and shaft was extremely sloppy. So I dismantled this portion of the reel. On the inner one-way bearing, which is the furthest one in, I wrapped it with a 10,000 shim. It's a corrugated shim and it allows some play. It's made of aluminum. And then on the outer bearing, we wrapped it with a 1,000th brass shim. This took all the play, absolutely 100% of the play, out of that shaft and converted this from a decent reel to a really nice reel. Once you eliminate the shaft play, this thing feels as good as every Calcutta I've got in my arsenal. We'll get it wrapped with some 22-pound test. Sturgeon fishing season starts next week, and I'll update this on its first catch after that. But so far, really a neat little reel. I will say this, when I dismantled it, it was as dry as a bone. So, little reel grease, little oil in the bearings, smooth right out, and it is a great reel. For the money, I don't think you can go wrong. Anyway, this is Greg, signing off. Hook up.